Hi guys, good morning. It's your Engineer Chopper. And today guys, meron akong gagawin sa unit ko. Kagabi, umulan. So, ito yung unit ko, naka-car cover. Ayan. Naka-car cover siya kasi minsan ko na lang siya ginagamit since I have my motorbike back na. So, ayan. Meron siyang mga raindrops. Hindi naman masyadong malakas yung ulan kagabi, but meron tayong car cover, so safe yung unit. I would like to show you something na gagawin ko in times like this na basa yung car cover. Dapat na procedure niyan is you wipe off the raindrops para yung car cover mo hindi siya basa habang nililigpit mo siya, para after that is magamit mo siya immediately, like after your trip, when you get home you can cover it and car cover is dry. And then at the same time, it will also make my car cover clean from dust, kasi yung dust on top of the car cover will become a mud pag hindi masyadong malakas yung ulan. So para mawala yung mga muds or yung mga alikabok, pupunasan natin yung car cover bago natin ligpitin. So ayan guys, natapos natin punasan, wala ng raindrops. So babaklasin natin siya from the unit para makita natin kung meron ba talagang tumatagas, and we'll see kung makinta pa rin ba yung unit ko. Caleb, you help me. So it's very important guys na sa pagbaklas ng car cover is systematic ka, at you will remember kung paano mo siya finold para pag gagamitin mo siya ulit, on the right position pa rin siya. So that's it guys, that's me keeping my car clean and also keeping the car cover clean para tumagal siya and maganda yung effect and systematic. So that's it. Thank you for watching. It's your Ingeniero Chuper. God bless, stay safe, drive safe.